Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY on these beautiful floral centerpieces. So if you'd like to know how I made these, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I did was pick up some acrylic paints. I ended up using these shades of pink and of course some white. And I started to paint my jars. I only did one coat of each and I didn't do it too neatly because that's the look that I was going for. And this is what they look like once I was all done. So I wanted the jars to have like a watercolor effect. So what I did is I picked up one of the jars and then I lightly went over with each color. So for example, this jar is dark pink. So I went over it with the white and then I'll go over it again with the other pinky color. And you want to have a light hand when you go in with the second coats and try to do easy light strokes. So then once those were all done, I grabbed some ribbon, and these I picked up from the dollar spot at Target, but I know Dollar Tree always has different types of ribbon also. So what I did is I just hot glued one end of the ribbon. I went around the whole jar and then hot glued the end of it and then trimmed off the excess. And then once those were done, I picked up some flowers that matched the aesthetic that I was going for. And then I started to sort the flowers inside of the jar. So I tried to do one flower of each and it came out perfect. So once I had all the flowers inside of the jars, I picked up these popsicle sticks and then I had these pictures from Luna's first birthday photo shoot printed at Walmart, and it was super inexpensive. I think it was like less than 50 cents each for each picture. And what I did was add the smallest amount of hot glue on the popsicle stick and then I put that on the back of the photo. So it's going to act like a little stand when you put it inside of your flower vase. And this is what they ended up looking like. Aren't they just so beautiful and super easy to make? what I liked about it is that everybody got to take one home, and it was just the perfect little centerpiece for her first birthday. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'll catch you guys on the next one.